Perfect way to start it.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, kitty cats. Today we're gonna do our Ipsy bags. You see, Sinfulkitkat is here with me, and the sun is like right in her eyes, so that's fantastic. So we're gonna get right to this because neither one of us is like really up to par right now. We haven't been feeling that great. So, do you want to start? Because you already opened yours.
I did?
Yeah, you opened it just to look at the bag. Because hers came like a day before mine or whatever. And she just wanted to see what the bag looked like.
And it comes with a brush.
That's a really pretty brush. What kind is it?
It's pink. That's
Yeah, it doesn't say the kind. Oh, there it is. Farah. Can I take the thing off? So.
Sure. Ooh. That was satisfying to watch.
Yeah, that was. I don't think I really got it on there right. So let's try it again so everybody can see how cool it looks.
That's cool.
This is a nice powder brush. Oh my god, it's so soft.
Yep, no one's allowed to touch this.
It's a really nice brush.
That's how I throw my trash in this house. That's
not
actually
okay.
really how I throw my trash.
And it's not okay.
It's not. It's not. I said it's not. Like, I'm agreeing with you.
Yeah, I agree with your agreement.
I thought it said lasagna.
It's really hard to see
because the sun.
The sun.
You chose
the
the
sun.
right time to like choose this video.
Okay, it's Lega. I never heard of Lega. Prickly pear. It looks like a pink lip gloss. It doesn't say much more on it, so does it say anything on this about it? Yeah, prickly pear pH lip gloss from Lega and Co.
It smells really fucking good. Do you smell it?
No, I can't smell it.
Do you mean you just can't smell in general, or?
No, I can't smell it from here. And that is a Farah brush, the powder brush, like I said. It's a good powder brush.
It smells really good.
I can't smell anything. It's weird.
Maybe it's because I'm actually putting it on my lips. I can smell it.
Yeah. That's pretty lip gloss. You're always beautiful.
I'm not pastel. I need to be more colorful, and I can't. Well.
Those are
eye masks.
Can-See Beauty Star eye masks. Light makes it you can't see anything.
Just
oh god. There.
There. That's all I can do for
Those
you.
are cool. Infused with retinol and gold.
Oh, I'm allergic to gold.
They help soothe, reduce, you liar. That helps soothe, reduce dark circles and depuff your under eye area.
Remember, like, I used to have an issue with gold. Like, I hated gold for a while.
I don't really like gold that much. I prefer silver, or even rose gold is nice.
Like, I prefer silver because silver looks good with anything.
Yeah.
Gold just looks like barf.
I don't think it looks like that. Wow. That's kind of crazy.
It just looks like barf to me. Like, it's gross.
She's strange.
But now I'm more okay with gold, but I still don't like to wear it.
Ooh, Micha Mia. I have a Micha Mia eyeshadow. It's nice. This one's in caramel.
I'm trying. Mom, get out of the way.
Is that out?
Wait, maybe if I just... Nothing's happening. Oh, wait. There we go.
There you go.
It takes it an hour to focus.
That's a pretty color. It's a nice
As I don't even
crease
test
color.
it out. If you want to test it out for them, go ahead.
It looks like a nice crease color.
Crease color, so it goes on your crease. Me, I just put on makeup without having any idea.
That's a nice transition color. It's actually a little lighter on the skin.
It reminds me of your foundation that I can't put on.
Yeah, foundation is too dark for you.
I looked like Donald Trump when I put it on. Remember that?
Yeah. Lab for You Multi-X Repair Cream.
It's so white. Can they see my face? I can't tell. I'm blocking the camera.
There you go. There. Okay.
The struggles are real.
Rich, creamy. This rich cream instantly calms and drenches skin with moisture.
Oh wait, that's gonna show our address. I'm seeing something.
No, that's not working. That's actually making it worse because the sun's like...
Because it's
metallic.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if I can even get this open with my arthritis. Yeah.
If I had a white piece of paper, that would be easier. Or a black piece of paper.
It's not hurting as bad right now, so. Arthritis has gotten really bad where
oh yeah.
I put any pressure
This
and
is the bags
my
we
wrists
got.
hurt. Ugh.
Well, I got. What did you get?
I'm pretty sure I got the same bag.
You can't even put it out.
Oh, I got a brush too.
What kind of brush?
What?
Yours is a uni.
I think I already have this brush actually.
Yours is a uni brush. Mine's a key.
I think I already have this brush.
Yeah.
I do. Except this one's older, so it's not.
Yeah.
I already had this brush. That's weird. I've never gotten the same brush twice. I mean, I don't mind. It's a nice brush. It's good for highlight. Boop.
I'll sneeze on it.
Little highlight there.
I'll sneeze on it and ruin your brush.
That's nice, dear. She's lovely. So I already had that brush, but that's okay. I don't mind having a couple of the same brushes. Sometimes I do that on purpose. I have like 3 of like a certain elf brush. Okay, we got Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Body Butter.
I'm hiding over here.
Do a...
Right.
Let's see. Sniff it.
Sniff it.
Sniff it. I'm not smelling anything. Is there something wrong with my nose?
Let me sniff.
Oh, now I smell it. I smell the coconut.
Ah! It squirted on me.
Well, use it.
On my lips?
Okay. I'll use it.
Oh, it wasn't a lie. I thought it was a lie.
There was a lot, but it went down the side. That's why it's like...
Oh, so it missed me.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
That's why I was telling you to use it. It's very coconutty smelling. I like that. Because you know I love coconut smelling stuff. I also got the same lip gloss that she got.
It smells like pear.
It's prickly pear, it says. Oh, now I smell it.
Yeah.
It's fruity, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice. I like a nice lip gloss. What else we got here? We've got an eyeliner, I think. Is that what this is? Please be an eyeliner.
Yeah.
Yes, Douche I think that's how you say it. Pearson Fine Graphic Pen. What color? Is it in black?
All we want is
yes,
eyeliners.
It's in black. I'm kind of happy because the last couple of pencil eyeliners were brown.
Oh, it's liquid eyeliner? Well, now I'm mad.
No, I need another liquid eyeliner.
Because my liquid eyeliner, just like the one that we got from the last Ipsy bag I've been using.
Mm-hmm.
I've been using it so much that it's actually wearing down.
Well, yeah, it's not.
So
And
what happens when you get a sample size?
I got a, it says Seraphine Botanicals.
The sun won't get me.
I can get open.
Can you get open? Do you need my hollow nails?
She just wants to show off her nails.
They can barely see it from here, so.
This is not what it says it is. Oh no, yes it is. Okay. I just didn't see that. Seraphine Botanicals. Daisy and Pearl. We have a lot of packaging on this one. I don't know if I can get it out. I need you to get that out. My arthritis is not going to let me get that out. Oh, Jesus, I'm going to do it like that. Yeah, Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. So that's the color. It's like a highlight, but it's like a, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's a highlight. You can barely see it though. Oh.
I can barely see anything in this light, so.
There we go. You can see. It's kind of a bronzy, pearlish highlight. Interesting. So, another highlight after I just went through those and got rid of a bunch of them. So that's everything. What did you like best out of your bag?
Well, you know me and scents. I like things that smell good, so.
Oh, I thought you were gonna pick the brush.
Well, I mean, that's my first favorite. But I mean, I really love smelling stuff, so.
Yes. I think my favorite is actually the body butter. It smells really good. I mean, we haven't used this stuff yet, so you might change your mind. Yeah. I use my stuff, you use your stuff.
Wow.
We haven't used our stuff yet, so.
You were talking about the body butter.
No, I said we haven't used our stuff yet. You didn't finish. So, I mean, when we've used our stuff, then we can tell if we really like it or not. But as of right now, I think my favorite thing is this body butter. Jeez.
You can't trap your fingers, sadly.
No.
Dang it.
I want to trap myself.
I always wanted to lose a finger.
So that's everything out of our Ipsy bags for February. I know it took us forever to do this. I've been in pain a lot and things have been, she's been busy at school and stuff and it just didn't happen until now. So.
And I've been sick.
Yeah. Yeah, my health hasn't been good either. So, we're just unhealthy around here.
We're really unhealthy.
Yeah.
Don't come over.
Don't come over.
Should get one of those signs that say that no trespassing. You may, like, we're very toxic.
But we're not catching.
Yeah, but then we get less visitors. Happy people.
What?
Except for Alex and Jade. Those are like the only people.
And Grelia.
Oh yeah,
and Wendy and my friends. Harmony. I mean, we have people that we love.
Okay, only those people can come, but everyone else stay away. And that orange cat that we saw can come too. The orange cat that you guys claimed that.
Oh yeah, we saw ginger colored cat at the window.
And everyone thought it was Pumpkin.
It was pretty late at night, and we were like, oh my god, Pumpkin's still out there. And
but Pumpkin was in my room.
I didn't think so at first. I was like, who is that cat? And John was like, that's Pumpkin. And I was like, really? I was like, it didn't look like Pumpkin to me, but then I was like, wow, it's really late for him to be out. And John opened the door and the cat took off, and they was like, maybe it wasn't Pumpkin. And then, like, Pumpkin was in, we found out a little bit later, Pumpkin was in Bianca's room. So, yeah, it wasn't Pumpkin.
Also, I thought I was in charge of letting Pumpkin in.
I thought its head was too big to be Pumpkin.
That's mean. You think Pumpkin has a small head?
No, it's just this cat's head was really big. It had a big head.
I don't know. I want to be its friend.
John just thought it was weird that it came to the back window like that, but I was like, we've had other cats do that aren't ours, that just come to that window, because there's a shelf right below the window on the porch, so they can jump up on the window, on the shelf, and look in the window.
When I have my house, I'm going to make a playground for all types of kitties. That sounded wrong.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys. Please remember to share and all that stuff.
Hit that bell if you want to see more.
If you want to be notified.
Well,
we're not quite all there today. Yeah, so always remember to be kind, even when you feel like crap. Bye bye, kitty cats.